Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel. Viewers, here is a fabulous guide on how to design e-dresses for women and girls. In this amazing video, we uncover the creative tips and tricks for designing the stunning dresses that capture the essence of this special occasion. From vibrant color to delicate embellishment, we showcase the unique styles and cultural inspiration perfect for the Eid celebration. Whether you are fashion enthusiast or just looking for ideas, this video has something for everyone. So ready to dazzle this Eid festival with our fabulous designing and embellishments. Have a great Eid happiness. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is a three-piece chiffon dress in shocking pink color and is a full flare and full length maxi dress. The maxi is heavily embroidered. The neckline is embroidered with zari and thread work. The front of the maxi is fully embroidered. An embroidered badge is attached at the bottom of the hem of this maxi. The sleeves are embroidered with small bunches and is embellished with a triangle lace. The trouser with this maxi dress is a straight capri and is embellished with a triangle lace. So the overall look of the dress is so beautiful and amazing. The dupatta of this maxi dress is embellished with small bunches and triangle lace is attached on the entire border of the dupatta. Viewers, I would like to pair these golden bangles and drop earring with this dress, which is completely matching with this dress. So here is the final look of this maxi dress. So amazing and beautiful. The best choice for the Eid festivity and get-togethers. Hope you guys will like this dress. This is a crinkle chiffon dress in maroon color. This is a plain and a simple full flared long maxi dress. The neckline is round in shape with a V-cut. The neckline is embellished with a cord and tassels are attached with the cord. The sleeves are embellished with a matching color lace. This is a simple but so elegant gown, beautifully designed for the festive occasions. Similarly, the matching color lace is attached on the hem of the maxi, and this maxi is in full flared length of the hem, which gives a princess look. The trouser with this maxi is plain and simple. The dupatta with this maxi is plain and simple, while the matching color lace is attached on the entire border of the dupatta, making this dress so beautiful. I would like to pair this jewelry with this outfit. A beautiful stone stud bangle with a hoop earring, which are completely in matching with this dress. Looking so beautiful and stunning. So here is the final look of the dress, which can be a great choice for the Eid festivity, for the get-together, or to dine out with the friends and family. Hope you guys will like this dress. This is a three-piece crinkle chiffon dress in teal color. The shirt and the dupatta are heavily embroidered and is a A-line long maxi. The neckline is embroidered with the sequins, tilla and zari work. The small bunches are made all over the sleeves. The bell-bottom sleeves are embellished with a thread embroidery and piping. Similarly, the bunches with tilla and zari work are made on the entire of the shirt's front. This embroidery is so elegant, glittery and captivating, making this dress eye-catchy. The sequence embroidery is made on the hem of the border of this shirt, while the thread and the zari embroidered patch is attached on the hem. So this dress is so beautifully designed for any festive occasion. The dupatta is also embroidered with small embroidered bunches with tilla and the zari thread, while the thread work is made all over the border of the dupatta. The trouser is a straight capri pant and no embellishments were added. Here is the jewelry I like to pair with this dress. The stone stud bangles and the bronze color earring, which are completely matching with this dress. So here is the final look of the dress, which is absolutely stunning and perfect for the Eid festivity. Hope you guys will like this dress. This is a 3-piece maxi dress in chiffon fabric in peach color and is full flare and full length maxi dress. The neckline is in band collar and embroidered patch is attached on the neckline. The front of the shirt is embroidered with zari dots and embroidered patches are made on the hem of the maxi. The embroidered patch is also attached on the bottom of the hem of this dress. The golden color laces are attached on the border of the sleeves and hem. The sleeve of this maxi is embellished with the embroidery patches and the golden lace. Organza dupatta with golden line is paired with this dress. This organza dupatta is embellished with a triangle lace attached on the entire border of the dupatta, which is so beautiful and amazing. Wears I paired the beautiful stone stud bangles and earrings with this outfit, which is completely matching with the dress and the embroidery on this outfit. So here is the final look of the dress, which is so beautiful and amazing. This eye-catchy dress is perfect for the Eid festivity and parties. Hope you guys will like this dress. This is a crinkle chiffon dress in red color and is a straight shirt and trouser. The neckline is round with a V-cut. The neckline is embellished with a zari thread embroidery. The tassel is attached on the neckline. The small bunches with zari thread are embroidered on the shirt and the sleeves. The sleeves are embellished with a zari thread embroidery and a patch with the pintex is also attached on the sleeves. The same pintex patch is also attached on the hem of the shirt. A box trouser is paired with this dress, which is simple and no embellishments were added on the trouser. The crinkle chiffon dupatta is paired with this dress, which is embroidered with small bunches and zari thread embroidery on the border. I paired these beautiful bangles with this outfit and a pair of jangle earrings, which is so beautiful and amazing, completely in match with the embroidery and dress. And here is the final look of the dress, which is so elegant and amazing, best for the Eid amusements and family get-together. Hope you guys will like this dress. Viewers, if you are first time on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and share. Keep watching for more videos on fashion and style. Thanks for watching.